everyone, I am Chandana. Today I'll be talking about some basic but important concepts in computers, along with how information technology (IT) transform businesses. What is a computer? A computer is an electronic device that takes input, processes it, and gives output. It works with hardware and software. From basic calculations to running an entire industry, computers have become a vital part of our lives. Computer system components. A computer system has three main parts: hardware, software, and storage devices. Hardware is a physical part of a computer, like the CPU, RAM, motherboard, and storage drives. It can be of two types: internal, the inside of the computer, like the processor and the memory, and external, that is, the devices that are connected, like the keyboard or printers. Software. Software is like the brain of the computer. It gives instructions and programs that tell the hardware what to do. It is of three types: system software, like the operating system, application software, like the Microsoft Word or browsers, and utility software, like antivirus programs. Storage devices. Storage devices can be internal, such as SSDs, HDDs, or external, such as the USB drives and cloud storage. Input and output devices. Input devices, such as keyboards, mouse, scanners, and microphones, allow us to send instructions or data to the computer. Output devices. Output devices such as monitors, printers, and speakers provide processed results in visual, printed, or audio form. Internal components of a CPU. CPU stands for Central Processing Unit, often called the brain of the computer. It includes control unit that directs data flow, arithmetic and logic unit that performs calculations and the logical operations, registers that store temporary data, cache that provides quick access to frequently used information. What is IT or information technology? Information technology means using computers, networks, and software to store processes and share information efficiently. Role of IT in business. It improves communication through email, chat, and video conferencing. It supports decision making using data analytic tools. It automates repetitive tasks, saving time and reducing errors. It manages and secures business information. It expands reach through e-commerce platforms. Booting process. Booting is the process of starting a computer. Press the power button, the power supply activates. BIOS, Basic Input or Output System, or UEFI, also known as Unified Extensible Firmware Interface. The firmware runs and performs POST, Power on Self Test, to check hardware. The system finds the boot device and loads the bootloader. The operating system loads into memory. And finally, the login screen appears and the computer is ready to use. Computers and IT are the backbone of modern life, from personal use to running global businesses. Understanding these basics helps us appreciate how technology works behind the scenes. Thank you for listening.